So, you may have noticed that whenever you charge your OnePlus 13, that when you go to check on it for the first time, it's on 80%, and when you come back to check on it again, it still stays at that 80%. And if you want it to move forward, it reaches 100 instead of staying at 80%, then this video is for you. So today, you'll be learning how to charge your OnePlus 13 beyond 80%. So the first step is to open the Settings app. And so you want to just look for the Settings icon and tap on it. Once you've launched Settings, you want to scroll down until you find Battery, tap on it, then select the option Battery Health. From here, you should see Charging Limit, and currently it's enabled. With it enabled, this is why your OnePlus 13 is not charging beyond 80%. So what you want to do is simply just tap on the toggle to turn it off. And now, whenever you plug in your OnePlus 13 to charge, it will actually eclipse 80% until it reaches 100 or until when you unplug it. And so that's how you can fix your OnePlus 13 not charging beyond 80%. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.